Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a very good opportunity which is coming from Microsoft. In this opportunity, you just need to attend one day workshop or you can say webinar of Microsoft and you will be able to get a Microsoft certificate. And this webinar is about AI, which is artificial intelligence. So it is only for one day and you are going to receive a certificate also. So this is a very good opportunity. You must register for it, okay? So, all right, let's see what is it. So, it is going to be a webinar which is conducted by Microsoft and NASCOM. It is a joint venture of both of these, and it is going to be a 3 day event. You can take participate on any of the date like 21, 22, and 23 June. Okay, so you can register for that. You can see here it is also supported by GitHub. So, how it works, you can see here in campus communication, student receive email with registration link, student register, attend online session, receive email to take online assessment. After that, take online assessment. Pass score is greater than equal to 60% so that you will be able to get the certificate. Or if you will not pass, then you can retake the test. You can have 3 attempts. After that, you need to update your Microsoft Azure skills on LinkedIn and you need to submit your LinkedIn profile link and other details with Microsoft and you will get your certificate in your email. Okay. So this is how it works. You should be a college student to take part in this webinar. Okay. And you should be from India only as it is for Indian students. So you can register for any of the date like June 21, 22 and 23. It is going from 2 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. You can register by click here for register. I will show you that also. Okay. These are the topics which are going to be covered in that session. You can see here it is of 3 hours session. After the session, you are also getting some time to have a live chat with the mentors. These are the mentors that are going to take that session. You can see from here. All right, let's move on to the about the program. So you can see Microsoft AI Classroom Series is an initiative by Microsoft in association with NASCOM Future Skills and supported by GitHub to skill up the students and future developer on new technologies. So it is going to be a AI classroom means you are going to learn about artificial intelligence. Okay. This is going to be a 3 hour session and it will cover all the topics related to AI, machine learning, and data science. You can also ask your doubts or questions you are having in the live chat during the session. You are also going to get the exclusive Microsoft official course MOC material for AI 900 course and it will be shared by trainers during the session only. All right. And there are limited seats so it will serve as first come first basis. Okay. And if you are not able to join the session on that day because of the capacity, then you can join on some other day. Means you are having 3 days, so try it every day if you want to get the certificate from Microsoft. All right. And this program is for Indian students which are currently studying in any university of College of India. All right. So let's see the assessment part. So after the session completion, students will receive an assessment link to check the knowledge and to download the participation certificate. You need to complete the assessment. It is going to be a multiple choice questions and you are going to have 20 minutes to answer 30 questions. Okay. You are going to have 3 attempts to clear the assessment and if you fail that you are not going to receive the certificate. So after failing once you can have 2 more chances. So you need to secure 60% marks to receive your Microsoft AI Workshop 2021 participation certificate. Okay. And the certificate will be joint certificate offered by Microsoft and NASCOM Future Skills. And you need to update your LinkedIn profile by putting Microsoft Azure skills on your LinkedIn profile. Okay. And you need to submit your profile link by clicking on this submit here button. I will show you that. Before that, let's see the resources. So these are some prerequisites. If you are having some knowledge regarding these courses or these technologies, it will be very helpful during the session. And also you should set up your environment like you need to download VS Code. The Python 3 also should be installed in your system and all these stuff should be installed in your system. Okay. This is ML Studio Classic subscription. You can go on this link and get the subscription. And you should also have your GitHub account. And if you want GitHub Student Developer Pack for starting, you can get it from here. Okay. So all right. So this is all the resources. You can access them and you can set up the environment in your computer. So now let's see how we can register to it. Like if you want to register for 21st June, you can click here and it will take you on this page. Okay. So for registration, you can fill out this form. You can put your name, email, phone, job role. In job role, you can put student, and in company name, you can put college name with the city. You can put your country and region, which is India, and company size 1. Okay, you are an individual. I am not a robot, and you can click on register now button. By filling this form, you will be able to register to this program. So now one more thing which is important. After completing the session, what you need to do is you need to go to this assessment tab. So here you can see you need to update your newly acquired Microsoft Azure skills on your LinkedIn profile. And after updating your profile, you can click on submit here button. And whenever you will click submit here, it will take you to this page. And you need to paste your LinkedIn profile here, which is the updated one. Okay. And you can put your email here and you need to submit this form. After this, you will get your certificate in your email. Okay. So if you have any confusion regarding this, or after attending the session, if you are going to have some confusion in taking your certificate, then you can ask your query or doubt in the comment section. So if you find this video helpful, then you can hit like button, and if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. I put these type of videos on daily basis. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.